Hello, my dear children. Today we will learn chapter 3 of class 7, that is HCF and LCM. Before we begin with the chapter, let's take a quick recap of what are prime numbers. Prime number is a number that is divisible by only itself and 1, which means it will not come or appear in any other table other than 1 times table or its own table. For example, the number 2. The divisor of 2 is 1 and 2. That means it will appear only in 1 times table and 2 times table. Similarly, the divisors of 3, 5 and 11 is the number 1 and the other divisors are the same number, its own self. Let's see some more examples. As you can see, this is the list of numbers from 1 to 100. All the red marked numbers are prime numbers. That means they are either divisible by 1 or itself. Moving forward to composite numbers. Now, composite numbers are nothing but opposite of prime numbers. That means the numbers other than prime numbers are composite numbers. Observe the picture below. So, the numbers like 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 are all composite numbers. Composite numbers have more than 2 divisors. For example, the number 9 is divisible by 1 and 9, obviously, but it is also divisible by 3. Another example of 33 is the divisor of 33 are 1, 3, 11 and 33. So all the numbers other than the red marked numbers from the picture are composite numbers. You must be wondering why I did not mention the number 1 while giving you example of composite numbers. That is because the number 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Moving forward to another branch of prime numbers is co-prime numbers. Now, what are co-prime numbers? Two numbers having 1 as a common divisor are known as co-prime numbers. Let's understand this with the help of an example. The first example. Now, the pair in co-prime numbers, you will always have a pair to decide whether these two pairs are co-prime numbers or not. So, if you see 6 and 25, the divisors of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. That means the number 6 appear in all these tables. And the divisor of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. But when I observe carefully and I compare the divisor of these two numbers, I find that only number 1 is common between them. Therefore, I can say that these two numbers are co-prime numbers. Let's take one more example for better understanding. 12 and 21. The divisors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And the divisors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. Again, I will compare the divisors of both these numbers. What do I find? I find that the number 1 and number 3 both are common here. So it means that this pair is not a coprime number. So I will say that this pair is not a coprime number. Moving forward, always remember that the numbers in the bracket can be a composite number or a prime number. That means when we say that the numbers, we have to find the pair is a coprime number or not, don't think that the numbers in the bracket have to be prime to be coprime. No, you can see 6 and 25 both are composite numbers, but together they are coprime numbers. Okay, let's move forward. Twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers are the pair of prime numbers with difference 2. Let's understand this also with an example. The first example is 3 and 5. Now here both the numbers in the bracket have to be a prime number. Always remember, for coprime it was not necessary that they have to be prime numbers, but for twin prime they have to be prime numbers. Okay, so you'll subtract or find the difference between the two numbers, two prime numbers, let me say. Then the answer has to be 2. So they are twin prime numbers. Another example, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. When you find the difference between them, the answer is 2. So again they are twin prime numbers. 11 and 13 both are prime numbers, and when you subtract and find the difference between them, the answer is 2. So they are also a twin prime number. Some more examples, I have already told you about the note. So some more examples of twin prime numbers are these. Let's move to the next. This is practice set 10 in your textbook. With reference to the prime numbers that we have done, we will be solving practice set 10. Let's take each question individually. Question number 1. Which number is neither a prime number nor a composite number? You must have already seen in the earlier part of the video that we discussed that number 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Boys, always remember, when we are asked a question in a statement form, it is expected from us to write the answer also in a statement form. Therefore, I have written here the number 1 is neither prime nor a composite number. So have a habit. Whenever there is a question in the statement form, write the answer in the statement form. Moving forward to the second question. Which of the following are pairs of coprimes? Now they have given us 4 pairs and we have to decide which of them are coprime numbers. So let's solve each one individually. The first one, 8 and 14. The divisors of 8 is 1, 2, 4 and 8. 14, the divisors of 14 is 1, 2, 7 and 14. So here the common divisors are 1 and 2. Therefore, we will say they are not coprime numbers. Whenever the common divisor is only the number 1, then we can say they are coprime numbers. Otherwise, they are not a coprime number. Therefore, 8 and 14 are not coprime numbers. Second example, 4 and 5. The divisors of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. And the divisors of 5 is 1 and 5. Here, very easy. The common divisor is just 1. Therefore, we will say they are coprime numbers. The next one, 17 and 19. The divisors of 17 are 1 and 17, and the divisor of 19 is 1 and 19. Again, the common divisor is just 1. So, we can say they are co-prime numbers. Also, my dear boys, if you observe, whenever there are prime numbers in the bracket, they will always be co-prime because they don't come in any other table. So, there's no chance of them having another divisor. One more thing, if you look at this number 17 and 19, if I subtract 19 minus 17, the answer is 2. They are also twin prime numbers. So you have to be alert while doing your sums. Moving forward, 27 and 15. The divisors of 27 are 1, 3, 9, 27. The divisor of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Again, the number 1 and number 3 are common here. So 3 is extra. So by that we decide that they are not co-prime numbers because they have more than 1 as their divisor. Let's move to the next question. List the prime numbers from 1 to 100. List the prime numbers from 25 to 100 and say how many they are. So this is the list from 1 to 100. You have to find all the numbers from 25 to 100. Red marked. Now since I gave you this list, I am giving you a little time to think and find out how many they are. So as you can see, from 25 onwards, there is 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. So these are the prime numbers from 25 to 100. As you can see in the question, they have asked, say how many they are. That's why it's very important for us to mention the answer to that part of the question as well. So we'll say total there are 16 prime numbers. Moving forward, write all the twin prime numbers from 51 to 100. Okay, again I'll show you the same list. We have to find twin prime numbers that are having a difference of just 2. So let's they have given us a limit of 51 to 100. So from 51 we will see the next prime number is 53. 53, 59, so the difference is too much. 59 and 61. Yes, here the difference is just 2. So this is one pair, 59 and 61. Let's find another pair. If you can see 67, there is nothing. 71 and 73. Again the difference is just 2. So 71 and 73 is the other pair. And after that there is no other pair with twin prime numbers. The next question is, write 5 pairs of twin prime numbers from 1 to 50. Again, 1 to 50 is very easy. As you can see from the beginning. Now 2 and 3, the difference is just 1. The difference is not 2. So we cannot take that. So the first pair is 3 and 5. Second pair is 5, 7. Then there is 11, 13. 17, 19. 29 and 31. So these are the pairs of twin prime numbers from 1 to 50. And the last question, which are the even prime numbers? Okay, so here's the list of prime numbers. I'm going to find even number. The first number that I see is 2. Okay, 2 is even number and it is also a prime number. Any other number that is even prime number? No. it cannot be, because whichever number is even number, it gets cancelled by 2. It is a divisor of 2. So no even number can be a prime number except for the number 2. So our answer is, again in the statement form, remember, the number 2 is the only prime number.